Assemble si e watamale ma dwen ho a menti ase etiefo ma dwen assemble ho a menti ase Endrechi and a report by said Tamale ya recorded 10 new coronavirus cases just at a go me tia na me yemshi me say na ba ne say na one day Tamale just at a go na 10 new coronavirus cases it assemble do mo so ko ne ko hu say say nkrofo a ya recorded 10 no wo mo kra won nya Ghana fo wo mo yankrofo bia wo mo free Guinea wo mo tu kwan e free Burkina Faso wo mo akwa Togo wo mo aba bewura eye Ghana through eye Tamale inti police wo enya report say nkrofo bi nam wo mo akwa Burkina Faso ko chinchin afa Togo ne den say nkrofo wo mo de yare na sign wo bi anim Emma nkrofo yi omo aya aba bewura Ghana inti Ghana police for omuni enya den ena Ghana police for ko chen nkrofo no 10 people ye go chi omo aya test ne kre na nkrofo 10 yi ni na wo mo coronavirus wo mo ni na 10 ni na coronavirus na ade bi a e wo se ye hu adwuma inti di aban ye ne se aban ema nkrofo no ye ko campi wo mo guest house bi say ye quarantine omo ahye ho na abaya na do say da bi nkrofo wo mo nya Ghana fo ye mma wo mo betena Ghana ha ni ye nhwe omo so ni ye ntio omo na trese e bi $100 million ya assign ya Ghana fo no ni ye de behwe outsiders ye mpene nti ye yo ma dwen ana Ghana fo authorities ni yo ma dwen say ye be deporting nkrofo we akọ wo mo krom ye Guinea because ho ene esi omo free ye be deporting omo akọ back to Guinea etiefo enda ya ba sorry ani yesi nkrofo iwo mumu baako a wo ye oba trese guest house awoda a posifo mienu eni sojafo mienu e guard ho no trese we hri guest house wo no edwane meti asem no medwe ho menti asem se no wo bia wonya coronavirus aya baba chiwo e wo Ghana trese ni weja ni nyama wo ho nyama wo mukita utumi nso wo mo akwantuo mu nyama wo mukita weja wo ho na wo hri wo edwane wo bi nim se wa hyeda eko krom e de yare na kosan omo because e kro ha Ghana yi enya wo kro udwane akohe ehe na wo nim wo mfri eye Ghana ye de wo eko wo kro ma wo udwane meti asem no ni krani I was worried because you don't know omo a nkrofo yi ananipa wedwane wo de yare no kosan omo you don't know say ebia adwemu poboni bi e woni trim wa boni trim poboni bi say yare de wo de be san nkrofo because we show wo travel history a wo mo free Burkina Faso na kofa Togo na be raga na mu trese wo mo ayo ma de say yare no wo mo sheda de san nkrofo ana say wo mo kra na wo mu ni say yare no wo mo so. That was the question or the questions. Those were the questions actually flowing through my head. Me say ede na ekoso yi. Nkrofo yi ede na ekoso yi, ede na ekoso yi. Na me te ha me ya worried no. I wasn't the only person. Am I worried? Obi a wate asem we bia na wa worried. Even the Northern Regional Minister won also trese wa worried ma trese wo dwen ho a won te ase. Wo se wo dakra wonda. Your friend Mr. Salifu Said. Was it what dream one want ya say will be a yen shishemu who say oh ya quarantine woo jani akohe. Woo jani akohe. It was no there, no see was throw Emma Northern Region funo. It was saying will be a message on Northern Region honor say will be a man in Ninda and Hoso. It was since Endra and since time I didn't see an opa. And then a news neighbor, but I see Nipakuna and Drano Jania. It is since Andra, what is any Pakune Jania and then upon news nippy, just want to mean that what I cry and that. Or that is in the trim, say, hey, Sisebe, Mamia with Johnny, Sisebe, what they are saying, Crofo, Sisebe, Wakosia will be, and the Pakunim, Ama Wasoni Pakun inside the assigno, Sisebe, just say, won't. They are normal thoughts that will flow through your head if you are concerned about things like this. nti o dakra wonda wo dwen ho a ensisi so nti o se eho enimu ya na trese osoma police for or directive police for our one northern region ho no se police for no he de wo mo be ya wo mo be che maame ni bia wo mo nyenche no he de wo mo be ya police for no wo mo be kosuro wo mo be ko hwimo se edro no mo de be chi no wo mo be kwa koye bisemu ehunu se wo wa ha o tre se wo de niti na be na mfomo wo be kwa na me nsu ase ache maame no de wo mo be ya wo mo be che maame ni bia wo mo nyenche no na asem we de dabi yempene ema mbegu Ghana fo ni mu asesa ya nhwe ni ya ade we ya age bia ebe hankrofo papa into wo hwa anapa we wo den sem ebe tu dwa na me pese me reading sem a wo ka kire ne nkrofo no we say we are working very hard to ensure that the people don't get too panicked. We say nobody should be afraid because the security personnel are on top of the issues. And no name someone what they buy and they betu ja. And what they can ho said they traveled through Burkina Faso and Togo to Ghana and were picked up following an intelligence report. Not just a police for cry equating grofo we are test no. And your intelligence na police what say say in crophobia free Burkina Faso aba be fa Togo a wo mo ba Ghana sound crofo no corona yi wo mo ye 10 wo mo nyina wo coronavirus no. It tells you, sir, if police were able to even pick intelligence on these people having coronavirus, these people cannot tell us, womu ni sa coronavirus no. Inti afei, munim say we were coronavirus, na ye highly contagious aden na trese wu tu kwan. Ye nyante ya se nkrofo ikra bo mo ba Ghana no. Bo mo ko pay some hotel bi e wotemale ho e da ho fine. And now me know say sa hotel no mo da ho ni ya quarantine omo because nkrofo we omo adwemu po you don't know, you can't tell. Now when we are who jani akohe and no na me nchi has you na say when na me madam fo bi kasa fa when de ni ye kasa fa madam fo bi ono so ye YouTuber ye kasa fa na me kasa he we say on muchi ni papuna o se mutume o se police for to me hwena but won o hwe ne nso a eti amra na nkrofo bi say o chi omo a eye nhwe e na yo so omo je nkrofo aso odenkra dodo. And then from this matter I will move on to Ghana yankasa yankrofo yaso odendodo quarantine ni entie. And there are a lot of videos kwa abontia a soldier for chinkrofo sure and the video be me hu ye police for call ba bia ya no mensa and a police for no ko twi ken hwi obi awo ho yes quarantine na nkrofo akwa kogu ba nim no mensa yes monti na fiema mu nko bebia wakwa akogu ba se wo no mensa wo ye den when a police for twi aba and ye nhwe ya sure mo fine mo who say yes. I just don't understand people. And the brand say do so police for chin video no go viral police for chin na wo mo man the punishment kakra. A brand say wo hu police for na wo pie finifie and a soldier for no ehun ni bisa ne say wo kon wo se wo koto edru wo pharmacy and wo mo gya ne ma ne koye say wo mo tete no a brand na nkwan koto edru bia na wo mo be chi no womo kikem wa oni asoja fo womo kikem gu so womo kikem gu abrante no so afi no work and krese what say asoja fo epie aba bonten no intia na onu so pie fi ni fie ba bonten ho say wo ba ba hwe ni so ade me say Ghana fo aden say wo be pie ahwe soja fo say what to say soldier for aba wo area ntino wo be pia hwe we ni so say soldier for quarantine yourself to just say ebi mu de eyo mo say yawe we just say eyo mo say ade we enya bibia ho eyo mo say yawe we ya grobi ande ne ya ho sa me say excuse na ya me ya and see soldier nia eto de bia ye nia we are condemning the police and the soldiers for nkofo awo mo bu omo ni we but see, this particular person, so Jenia, wo no wo dada ne se wo koto aduro later wo be kan story we channel e den no be ye wo bo se ni bu afu wo be realize kra na wa bo waso mu awie because e ye bufuo lady bi so Captain Smart wo ka enwumre 11 we pia ba be gina bonten se wo ba be to aduane na police for ni hu no mka so okay bibia okoto aduane yenko ne yenko jao omukọ ho bibia ose okoto aduane no wo bi eni ho na omka tell se wonko ni fie police for ni di na chi akọ ni fie wo bibia wa trese ni fie omudu ho no wo se o se ho kra anye ni fie mo se okay wo de yenko wo fie wo mukọ ko du bibia ose ho ni fie na police for ni jai no police for ni jai ni sanso ko ye rounds wo be na wasanso apie biomi na wo mo chene no mka se enya wa na ye chi wa ye si kofie ne ase na me be he se mo wo ha still ana na asojafo no ma wo ye squatting se maso ye den na so wo di movie wo di be movie me gidi se munya mo ahwe video no wo di movie akoni fie we na wo bitina baby ka se de sojafo na ye na nye but Ghana ni na wo no ye sa de no ye na ye eya na mumma president no na sem try ye den kra dodo aya simple thing na president aka simple orders se fie lock yourself o se what is a soldier for abanti no o behwe weni so ade mo chere mo adwo comment box mi wa chief for me that say